I'm a whale shark and I'm the largest fish in the sea. Yes, I know I could totally play a convincing underwater Godzilla. At up to 40 feet long, I make a great conversation starter. I love to eat plankton. You could say I'm a bit of a micro diner. No fancy five-star seafood restaurants for me, thank you very much. My spots are unique. Just like a fingerprint, no two whale sharks have the same pattern. You could call me the leopard of the sea, but way less fierce and a lot more chill. I can live up to 70 years. Talk about staying power. I'm basically the Methuselah of the ocean world. No anti-aging creams needed here. I give birth to a lot of babies. We're talking up to 300 at a time. It's like a baby shark convention every time I decide to expand the family tree. I'm a filter feeder. I swim with my mouth open, letting the good stuff, plankton, flow in and the bad stuff flow out. You could say I'm the original master of just going with the flow.